Hi, welcome to the website of Zion International Public School. This school is the sixth edition of Zion and Alvin Group of Schools. This school is the dream school of our founder, Chairman Dr. N. Vijayan, who is a passionate teacher and academician. He has won the Best National Teachers Award. In a moment, we'll stroll through and look at our school's beautiful infrastructure, and I'm very excited to show it to you. I'm very proud to be a student of Zion International Public School.
Hey, I'm also a student at Zion International Public School. Learning here, I've realized that learning is not only fun, but also related to real life experiences. More than book knowledge, here we are taught to be good human beings. Teachers are friendly and approachable. They identify a student's talents and try to enhance them. The school has an auditorium that is fully air-conditioned and various labs that is fully equipped with modern-day technology. The school has interactive classrooms and also focuses on sports.
Now, we are passing through the main entrance heading towards the reception desk. The reception desk is situated in the main office. On entering, you will witness a sense of professionalism and a positive ambience, which is the replica of the entire institution. The principal's room is the backbone of our school. From executing orders to accomplishing tasks, it all happens here.
Look at this place! The colors, the floral work, with the fusion of technology is just what the tiny tots need.
Let's not forget the decorated boards, the innovative and colorful furniture that helps to incorporate profound learning.
This is really something.
The wide and the windy classrooms and the cozy furniture along with the friendly faculty.
Wow, what more do we need?
Moving on to the more serious side of the classrooms.
Let me guess, is it high school?
Yes, you are right. Looking at the ambience set for learning, the disciplined arrangement of furniture and an atmosphere suited for excellence does it all.
Now, stepping into the state-of-the-art auditorium, we'll be heading a few years into the future.
Wow, you are right. The grandeur of the lights, the flooring and those drapes truly gives us a sense of future.
That's not all. Wait till you hear the sound system. It'll send shivers down your spine.
Where are we?
Shh! Not so loud. This is the Temple of Knowledge. We have about 10,000 books from Pythagorean theorem to classics of Jane Austen.
We have ample space to accommodate a large group of students other than this. This library is well suited for the displaying of presentations. Next, we have the science lab used by all classes from 6th onwards.
Our laboratory is fully equipped with the latest equipment and technology to conduct experiments for all age groups. And students get many hands-on practical experiences to understand the scientific concepts in a more progressive manner.
Finally, we are at the computer lab.
The integration of academics and technology is in vogue, and ZIPS have been the pioneers to follow.
Hi, I'm Tahura Fatima and I'm a parent at Zion International Public School. I can see a very vast difference in my children's learning and growth. They are very keen in participating in extracurricular activities and sports too. I thank the chairman, Dr. N. Vijayan, for building such a nice school. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sharon Stalin. என்னோட 2 டாட்டர்ஸும் ஜைன் இன்டர்நேஷ்னல் பப்ளிக் ஸ்கூலில் படிக்கிறாங்க. என்னோட சின்ன டாட்டர் என் கூடயே வளர்ந்ததுனால எப்படி அவள் ஸ்கூலில் அடாப்ட் ஆவான்னு நான் ரொம்ப பயந்தேன். இந்த மாண்டசரி செஷன் இஸ் ஸோ பியூட்டிஃபுல் அண்ட் எல்லா டீச்சர்ஸும் அவ்வளோ நல்லா அவளை டேக் கேர் பண்ணிக்கிட்டாங்க. அண்ட் பெஸ்ட் பார்ட் ஆஃப் த ஸ்கூல் இஸ் தி இன்ஃப்ராஸ்ட்ரக்சர். I thank Vijayan sir for bringing such a beautiful school.
It's my privilege to greet you and welcome you to visit our school website. I am Dr. N. Vijayan, the founder chairman and senior principal of all the 6 schools which I established in the year 1986. I was in the Indian Air Force for a brief period. I took volunteer retirement only to become a teacher, which was my life's ambition. Right from childhood, my aim, ambition and aspiration was to become a teacher. To fulfill this, I came out of the Air Force and started a small school with just 11 kids and 2 staff. I'm indeed proud to say the schools rather had vertical growth. Now it has over 20,000 children and more than 1,000 teaching staff. And to all the hard work that is put in, the sufferings, sacrifices that I made, it's a reward. For me, school is a temple of learning. and teaching is the noblest service under the sky. Accordingly, the vision and mission of the school were strongly founded on a rocky surface. For all my hard work, the state government has awarded me with the State Best Teacher Award, and later on, the Government of India too honored me with one of the best teachers of the country with the National Best Teacher Award, the most coveted and prestigious award that I received from the golden hands of our former President of India, late Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. It was really a pride moment to back the national coveted Best Teacher Award. Now, for us, it is a mission. Every child that is entrusted to our care is given individual attention. The best possible education, the quality education available in any part of the country is provided to our children at the doorstep of the parent. We ensure not only on academic excellence, every child is properly guided, advised to be strong mentally, fit physically, and above all that, apart from the academic excellence each child is given, the character building aspect is a very important essence of our philosophy, that at the end of their 12th standard school final, every parent is to feel very happy and proud that the decision that I took to admit my child was really good. We nourish and nurture every child to that extent. So, we have the teachers, a team of dedicated teachers. They do the rest of the work under my leadership. I'm really so happy to see that I'm able to really help and guide the teachers to be a useful citizen of our country, to take up leading positions, leadership positions, the days to come. So that's all for me. So rest is yours. You will get the complete details that you will look for when you visit, when you travel through our website. Thank you.